Hey, it's Tina from the Silver Crescent. I am enjoying my longer weekend and I'm hoping you folks are as well. It has been a crazy weekend full of painting and rearranging the house and running errands and basically just getting my life together. And as many of you I'm sure know and have experienced, and it's maddening, as you are making things better in your own house, in your own life, it never ceases to amaze me how ridiculously chaotic the cleanup is. Like, for me to paint my son's room, everything has to come out, which means there has to be a place for books and for, you know, his bedding and whatever that has to come out of that room before I can paint it. So that means the rest of my freaking life is a disaster because I am cleaning up and getting this one area of my life together. And all I could think of was like, holy cow, man, if this isn't a life lesson, I don't know what is. You know, it always gets messy, chaotic, ridiculous, messy, whatever. It always gets worse before it gets better, you know? As I am cleaning out this room and as I'm reorganizing the basement or as I'm doing whatever, you have to pull all that nonsense out, which makes the rest of your life look ridiculous before you can even get that one room or that one area in order. And so that's what I would say to encourage you is, like, if you are really pressing on and trying to really work your way through everything and make your life better, and it's just getting messier and messier, know that you are close to a breakthrough. That should be a celebration. You're close to the breakthrough because Lord God knows it always becomes a disastrous mess. Life does. As you are beginning to get your stuff together. So I wish you blessings. I wish you peace. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful fall weekend. There's more thoughts where this one came from, but this is just, you know, video one. Have a great week and we'll see some of you soon. Be well.